Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to use elements and how to use the hover effect with them. So let's start programming with that. And once done, we'll see some great effects. So that's HTML, and then head, style, then hash navigation list, then position, relative, then hash navigation list, li, margin 0, padding 0, list style none, position absolute, top 0, navigation list li, navigation list a, height 44 pixel, display block hash home left 0 pixel, width 46 pixel, background url img nav sp rits hover dot gif 0 0, then hash prev left 63 pixel, width 43 pixel, background url img nav sp rits our gif minus 47 pixel 0, then next left 129 pixel, width 43 pixel, background url img underscore nav sprits underscore hover dot gif minus 91 pixel 0, hash home a hover background URL img nav sprits hover dot gif space 0 space minus 45 pixel, then hash prev hash home hash prev a hover background URL img nav sprits hover dot gif minus 91 pixel and minus 45 pixel, then style head body and ul id equals to navlist, then li id equals to home a href equals to default dot asp a li li id equals to prev a href equals to css intro dot asp a li li id equals to next a href equals to css syntax dot asp, then a, then li and ul slash body slash html. Paste it, can run. Okay. Let me just check again. Nav list position relative, nav list li margin 0 0 padding 0 list style none, position absolute top 0 hash navigation list. This first is navigation list, then navigation list li, Then navigation list li and navigation list a, height 44, display block, then home left 0, width 46, background URL image this, then prev left 63, width 43, background URL this, then 460, then next, left 129, width 43, background URL this, minus 47, we are on prev. We are on next 47.0, then next is 129, 43, minus 91.0, then home hour background this, 45, prev hour, background URL this, prev hour, URL this, minus 91, this is minus 47 and 45. Then we also have is hash next a hour background URL img nnav sprats underscore hour dot gif minus 91 pixel minus 45 pixel, then close it, then run it again, and then last is background. Okay, this is missing, and the last one style head body list nav list liid home ahref default asp this liid prev ahref css intro this liid next ahref css. So we'll do the rest of the part tomorrow. We're just checking it. So that's it for this video.